Traveling can be a fantastic experience, but it's not without its challenges. Here are some 16 common travel mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Overpacking. Bringing too much stuff can make your trip more cumbersome and expensive, especially if you have to pay for excess baggage fees. Pack light and stick to the essentials. Number 2. Not researching your destination. Failing to research your destination can lead to missed opportunities and unexpected issues. Learn about the local culture, customs, and any potential safety concerns. Number 3. Overplanning. While it's essential to have an itinerary, overplanning can leave you stressed and exhausted. Leave room for spontaneity and serendipity in your travels. Number 4. Ignoring travel insurance. Travel insurance can protect you from unforeseen events like trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. It's worth the investment. Number 5. Not notifying your bank. If you're traveling internationally and plan to use your credit or debit cards, notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid cardholds for suspicious activity. Number 6. Not having a backup plan. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Have backup accommodations, transportation options, and a contingency budget in case of emergencies. Number 7. Not learning basic phrases. Even if you're not fluent in the local language, knowing a few essential phrases can be a lifesaver when traveling, especially in non-English speaking countries. Number 8. Not checking visa and passport requirements. Ensure your passport is valid and check the visa requirements for your destination well in advance. Some countries require visas, and the application process can take time. Number 9. Skipping travel vaccinations. Depending on your destination, you may need vaccinations or preventive medications. Neglecting these can put your health at risk. Number 10. Not keeping copies of important documents. Make copies or digital scans of your passport, visas, and important travel documents. Store them separately from the originals in case of loss or theft. Number 11. Falling for tourist traps. Research popular tourist scams and attractions in your destination and be aware of common tactics used to overcharge or deceive travelers. Number 12. Exchanging currency at the airport. Airport currency exchange rates are often less favorable than those in the city. Exchange some money beforehand or use local ATMs for better rates. Number 13. Not backing up your photos and data. Don't rely solely on your camera or phone to store photos. Back up your memories to a cloud service or an external drive to avoid losing them. Number 14. Overusing your phone. Roaming charges and data fees can add up quickly. Invest in a local SIM card or an international phone plan to save money. Number 15. Neglecting your health. Travel can be physically demanding. Get enough rest, stay hydrated, and take care of your health to avoid getting sick during your trip. Number 16. Disregarding local customs and etiquette. Be respectful of local customs, dress codes, and traditions. Research and follow the etiquette of the places you visit. Avoiding these common travel mistakes can help you have a smoother and more enjoyable journey. Remember that travel is an opportunity to learn and grow, and even mistakes can lead to valuable experiences. Thank you to watch this video, and I consider to subscribe and like the channel. Dr. Call.